Hello guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Emil and I use planetary support and resistance lines along with Elliott wave to predict potential turning points in the Forex market. First, I want to draw attention to the fact that from Monday, which is April 1st to April 25th, Mercury is in retrograde motion. This period, when Mercury is in retrograde motion, affects my strategy a lot and my analysis are not quite correct. If I have much between 2 or 3 instruments, it's okay, otherwise I lose money. The last time we had such a signal in such a period was between the dollar Swiss franc and dollar yen on December 28. Here and here. Okay, let's start with euro dollar as usual. In terms of planetary lines, I haven't had any signal this week. According to Elliott wave, the price may correct from these levels and then go down. And nothing has changed on daily time frame. The price should go down to complete wave B. After that, go up to complete wave C. As usual, the lines for the next week, you may pause the video to write them down. The next instrument is pound dollar. In terms of planetary lines, I haven't had any signal this week. According to Elliott wave, the price may correct from these Fibonacci levels and then go down. On a daily time frame, everything remains the same. The lines for the next week, the first portion, the next portion. Okay, the next instrument, dollar Swiss franc. In terms of planetary lines, haven't had any signal this week. According to Elliott wave, I expect this behavior. The price may correct from these Fibonacci levels, after that to go up. On a weekly time frame, I see something like that. The price should go up, up and up. What are the lines for the next week? Here are the lines. Okay, the next instrument, USD Canadian. In terms of planetary lines, I haven't had any signal this week as well. According to Elliott wave, let me show you, if the price managed to break these levels here, maybe we'll continue going up. The buy signal was here a couple of weeks ago. On a daily time frame, I see this scenario. Okay, the lines for the next week. The next instrument is dollar yen. Honestly, I'm a bit confused right now about this currency. Our buy signal was here. We already discussed 2 weeks ago why. It's a match between dollar yen, US index and euro dollar. Let me show you on 1 hour time frame what's going on here. It's quite complicated for me right now. According to Elliott wave, the price should go down, but I disagree with that. I still believe that price should go up. I see this kind of picture, something like that. it's very difficult to predict right now how the price, where the price will go. So we'll see. It will take some time. The lines for the next week, and the next instrument is US oil. US oil still continue providing reliable signals here, even on a 1 hour time frame, as you can see here. 3 weeks, 2 weeks ago, last week. Let me show you what my Elliott waves providers says. They say that we have completed wave 5 and wave C, and now the price should go down. I disagree with that fact. I've already mentioned it a couple of times in the previous videos. Let me show you once again why. We have lots of support levels here from last year and from this year on a 4 hour time frame. Here, 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 and still believe that the price should go up. On a weekly time frame, I see this scenario. If it happens, it will be a disaster for our global economy, and I think that OPEC and Russia will succeed in doing it. Deflation will be here for a very long time. Okay, the lines for the next week. US oil. You may pause the video to write them down. And the most important instrument ever, US index. What I see on a 4 hour time frame, I think that the price may correct from this Fibonacci levels and planetary line, and after that to continue going down. Let me show you what says Elliott waves. We are in a second wave right now. The price should go down according to Elliott wave, but I disagree with that. Still believe that we are in a wave B right now. Wave A, still wave A to complete wave B, and after that to complete wave C. Some of my providers are not very reliable, so I prefer to follow my scenario. Okay guys, I think, oh no, I forgot to provide you the levels for the next week for US index. I think it's enough for today. Let the profit be with you. Subscribe to my channel and see you next week. Bye bye.